What's up, YouTube? It's your boy OG Weezy back with another legendary video. Today I'm at the yard. I'm about to get on the road. This load came from Houston going down to Chow, New Mexico. I forgot the miles on it, but it's an 8-hour ride from where I'm at. 8-hour ride from Houston. And this load paying $4,300. $4,300. They go from Houston to Chow, New Mexico. Y'all do the math. I'm about to check and see how many miles it is right now. But the only reason I got paid this much for this load is because I picked it up on Saturday and they didn't want to deliver it until Wednesday. So today is Tuesday and I'm about to head out right now. It's 581 miles and $4,300 on the way. But they paid me basically to sit on the load until basically Wednesday. But I'm about to go ahead and do my pre-trip. Make sure all my fluid's good. Make sure all my tires good. And put it in the wind, my friend. Whee! Whenever I got a load on my back, I put my legs down instead of just leaving a load sitting on the truck. It's weighed about 50,000 pounds. Shouldn't be too bad of a ride. It's a big old cat motor. Detroit pulling a cat. This is how they told me to chain it down, which doesn't look safe at all, but it's on now. They don't have any other tie-down points to chain it. So I got 3 points of contact on each side. Well, my truck set line light just came on. I got coolant everywhere. One of my heater hoses, I just wrapped it up. One of the heater hoses popped. I have one right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna finish this load off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the heater hoses on the right side of the motor. I don't need those to run the truck. So I'm gonna cut those off and do this load and fix it once I get back. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this so I get off on the side of the road. I only had 2 gallons of coolant in my truck, so I went over there and got some water. They didn't sell red coolant, so I'm about to add probably take 2 more gallons, and I should be good to go. Quick stop for some diesel. I shut those lines off, so hope it don't get cold tonight. I ain't gonna have no heater. AC still working. It's a big ass motor. Oh, my chain's still good. Diesel here, $3.98, $3.95. This thing. I was almost on E. It took $7.50 to fill up. They told me to be here at 8 a.m. on Wednesday. Right now it's like 7 something, and they said I won't get offloaded till probably this evening. They didn't set up the crane yet, and they got some other stuff they gotta move around with the crane. So I'm about to just pull on up here and just wait. Hopefully I can get some detention time out the broker. They told me just keep track of my time. And wait, it's always good to keep extra hoses, belts, whatever you may need to fix on your truck if you ever break down on the side of the road. I have the hoses that'll fix that, but I'd rather wait till I get home to try to, get up under the truck and do all that instead of being on the side of the road at a truck stop trying to do that. It wasn't something that was like needed, so I could bypass it for now. Like, it's not cold outside, so I didn't need the heat last night. And that just go to show you, man, if I would have called a tow truck or anybody to come out and try to fix it, that would have been well over $500 when the hoses only cost a couple, like $20, $30 for 10 feet of hose and a coolant, however much you spend on coolant. But I only had 2 gallons of coolant and I had to add some water to it. So once I switch out the hoses, I'm gonna probably drain the coolant and add all coolant back to it. But it's good to just know your truck, know how to work on your truck, because these mechanics, these shops, they out here raping people, bro. But it was my fault because that problem happened before at the front of the motor for the heater hose, and I just changed the one that popped. But the mechanic told me I should have changed all of them, and I just forgot. So it really was my fault, but it's a learning lesson. It's not something that put me out of service or had me, stuck on the side of the road for hours. I just turned them lines off and got back to it. But I guess I'm gonna wait. I thought it was gonna be an easy 4,300. I might be out here for about 8 hours. He said they still haven't set up the crane. The crane people not even here to set up. So I guess I'll sit back, watch some Netflix or something. They had to offload that first to put it down. I think the thing I got, the motor I got, go on top of this. Let's tell you how the wheels move on the trailer. Yeah, but see, my motor that I got on the back go on top of that part. It's basically the same process over there. I couldn't record that pickup. They was kind of strict on phones and stuff. That's why I didn't record when I picked up. But I should be offloaded either next or after the other machine get offloaded. I've been here since 8 o'clock and they finally about to offload me. It's 1:48. They told me pull up under there after he pull off. They trying to figure out how to basically scrap it so they could get it up in the air, whatever you want to call it. But they put it on with a forklift, so they're not really sure where to put the chains at to get it up in the air. We finally found some hook points for it. About to see how this goes.